Hi, this month we are celebrating Article 19, the right to be kept safe and free from harm, for November. This is because during November, as you will know, you'll be hopefully celebrating Bonfire Night. We want to keep you safe. But also in November, lots of schools will be doing work around Anti-Bullying Week. We've got a great resource called Sam's Story, which you can find on our website. That's got lots of different lesson plans for you to think about how to bully-proof your school and make sure all young people exercise and get their right to feel safe. We also would welcome you using an activity from our Make a Difference report, which is called Ripples in the Pond. You can draw a picture of a pond, and in the middle you think about who keeps you safe in school, and in the next circle, big circle around it, who keeps you safe at home, and then another big circle around that, who keeps you safe in the wider community, making sure there's a range of adults, duty holders, who are keeping you safe. Article 19.